Well, good morning and welcome back, everyone. I'm out here at COSI today, joined with Marci, and of course there's always a lot going on at COSI, and it sounds like Farm Days is right around the corner too.
It is. So Farm Days is coming up. It's going to be August 10th through 14th here at COSI, and we are so excited about it. So I thought, in honor of Farm Days, today you and I would start to germinate some seeds.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yeah. So we've got a couple of seeds here. These are soybeans. And seeds are actually really quite amazing. So they're dried out right now. They're really dormant, but all they need to germinate is water, oxygen, and warmth. So what we're going to do is we're going to make seed necklaces, and we're going to see if we can get these to germinate over the next few days.
Oh, that sounds fun.
All right. So I said it needs some water, right? So let's go ahead and take this cotton ball, dip it in the water, and then we're going to squeeze it out because we don't need too much water, just a little bit of water.
Okay, kind of dip it in.
Yeah. So inside of this seed, this outer shell, there's an embryo in there, and there's also food for that embryo. So when it gets wet, it's going to start to rehydrate those cells, and eventually it's going to break out of that shell and start to grow. And it's got the food in there to grow. Now later on, when it becomes a plant, you can plant it in the soil, and then as the plant sprouts, it'll start to get its energy from the sun. So go ahead and put your seeds in there.
It's amazing that there's so much happening in such a little seed too.
Yeah, you often don't think about it because it doesn't look like much, right? All right, so we've got our two seeds in there up against that cotton ball. And you can go ahead and seal the Ziploc bag. And then I told you we're going to make a necklace out of this.
Yes.
So we'll go ahead and string some yarn through and then tie a knot to make our seed necklace. Now, you may be wondering why we're making a necklace out of this. So I mentioned that seeds need warmth to grow, so to germinate. So if you wear it as a necklace, it's going to be up against your body, and it's going to have your body heat giving it that warmth.
Oh, okay.
It kind of makes sense because that's why we plant our seeds in the spring when it starts to get warmer outside. So you can put your necklace on, and it's going to take it a couple of days to grow, to start to germinate, and then later on you can plant it in the soil.
That's so cool, and it's a project that will take a bit of time that you get to watch the whole process of it too.
Exactly, because you can see right through that bag, and you can see exactly how long it takes for the seed to germinate.
Oh, I love that. I love that that can be a whole project that the family gets to do, and I like that at COSI there's also some events going on for the 21 plus crowd. Is there another After Dark coming up?
There is. So we have a COSI After Dark. It's going to be on August 11th on Thursday night, and it's called Scum and Villainy. It's going to be a really fun COSI After Dark.
Ah, I love that. And what are kind of the restrictions for that? Do we have to get a separate ticket or?
Yep, you can find all the information at cosi.org, but you can get your ticket online or you can buy it when you come to COSI.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. And remember, what are those dates again coming up for people to make these cool necklaces?
So if you want to come to Farm Days and you want to come make a necklace, see some chicks hatch, climb on some farm equipment, that's going to be August 10th through 14th.
Excellent. And again, if you want to find out more information about those dates, all the fun exhibits happening over at COSI, you can head over to cosi.org, or to watch this fun experiment again, head over to our website, NBC4i.com.